Mystery Box Challenge, Science Edition. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Mystery Box Challenge. I'm Brainy Bear, and today we have a super exciting theme. Science! Are you ready to guess what's inside the mystery box? Let's go! I have a box filled with science surprises. I'll give you 3 clues, and you can try to guess what's inside. Are you ready? Let's start with the first clue. Clue number 1. This is something that can bubble and fizz. What do you think it is? A potion? An experiment? Let's see if you're right. Clue number 2. You might use this in a kitchen experiment. What could it be? Think about it. Here's the final clue. Clue number 3. It's often used with baking soda to make fun reactions. All right. Are you ready to find out what it is? Let's open the box. Surprise! It's vinegar and baking soda. These 2 ingredients are perfect for making volcanoes and fun fizzing reactions. Let's take a look at this video showing the reaction between baking soda and vinegar. Whoa! Look at it fizz and bubble. That's the reaction between the baking soda and vinegar. The gas is carbon dioxide, and it creates all that bubbling. So remember, science is all about experimenting and having fun. You can try this at home too, but make sure to ask an adult for help. Thanks for joining me on this Mystery Box Challenge. Come back next week for another adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fun with Brainy Bear's adventures. See you next time.